Hello there, my beautiful angels. Hello, send the love. I'm LashGo. We're going to be doing another unboxing. Already split it, but I haven't opened it. Let's see what I've got. Lamborghini Countach from the Diecast. It's just a quick tutorial, this one. From the Diecast. Lamborghini Countach. Alright guys, remember, I want you to do a few things. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And please, can you please send the love, subscribe if you're new to my channel, like the fun, it's a must. I may get say 8 likes and 20 views. Each view, can you put a like on it please when you watch my video? You don't really have to comment, but I would love you to comment so I know that you've passed by and said hi. And it motivates me more because I'm doing it for you, because I love yous all. And hit the bell button so you know I've uploaded a new video. Alright guys? So subscribe, comment, like, hit the bell button. Please, please, it's so important to me. People that have started, right, and have only got maybe 2 or 3 videos, and they've got over 400 subscribers, and I've got way over 100 videos, and I'm just clocking near 100 subscribers. So what am I doing wrong? Help me guys, help me, tell me, so I can get more subscribers. Word of mouth, please, please, I love yous all. So stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.